everyone, welcome back to Easy Tech. Today, we're diving into the ultimate smartphone of 2025, Apple's iPhone 16 Pro Max, Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra, and Huawei's Mate 70 Pro Plus. Which one deserves your hard-earned cash? Let's find out. Let's begin with the design. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is sexy with its ceramic back and aerospace-grade aluminum frame. Minimalism made classic Apple. The Galaxy S25 Ultra, bold design, and a 6.9-inch Quad HD display with anti-reflective coating. Finally, the Mate 70 Pro Plus. Just beautiful, with titanium alloy, have IP68, and a 6.9-inch LTPO display. Which design did you like? Come to the performance and features. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is powered by the A18 Pro chip, delivering unmatched speed and efficiency. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra packs the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, excelling in AI-powered features. Meanwhile, Huawei's Mate 70 Pro Plus is equipped with the latest Kirin 9020 chipset, offering dynamic AI features and optimized performance. Whether you're gaming, working, or creating, these phones have you covered. Now, let's talk cameras. Apple's iPhone 16 Pro Max shines with its improved 48-megapixel wide, 12-megapixel periscope telephoto, 48-megapixel ultra-wide, and 12-megapixel selfie camera and video stabilization. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra takes it up a notch, with a 200-megapixel quad camera setup, 10-megapixel telephoto, 50-megapixel periscope telephoto, 50-megapixel ultra-wide, and 12-megapixel selfie camera, and the zoom is AI-powered. And Huawei's Mate 70 Pro Plus. It features a triple camera system with a 50-megapixel wide lens, 48-megapixel periscope telephoto, 40-megapixel ultra-wide, and 13-megapixel selfie camera, which is perfect for photography enthusiasts. Battery life is crucial. The iPhone 16 Pro Max offers epic longevity, with 4,685 mAh lithium-ion battery, while Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra have 5,000 mAh. And Huawei's Mate 70 Pro Plus also deliver impressive endurance, with 5,700 mAh silicon carbon lithium-ion battery. As for pricing, Apple remains about $915, Samsung offers options across budgets about $1,000, and Huawei provides value with its innovative features and competitive pricing that is about $897. So, there you have it, the ultimate comparison of 2025's flagship phones. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech content. Until next time, stay tech savvy.